Hi friends, happy Friday, it's Miss Drywa. So this is going to be a quick video today because it's Friday and we have break coming up. We have a whole week off. So I'm going to go through our problem again. I'm going to model a problem for you and then you can go actually work on eSpark today. So that's going to be really cool. I figured that'd be a little more fun than doing another worksheet because it is the Friday before break and you all deserve this break so much. You've been working so hard this whole time and we're all so proud of you. So again, I'll show you a problem, then you can go work on eSpark and then have a wonderful break, friends. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so division, making equal groups. So again, we have our problem. The first number is our dividend. That's our number that needs to be divided equally into groups. Our second number tells us how many groups. And then our third number, our quotient, tells us how many are in each group. Easy peasy. So let's get started. If I have 21 divided by 3, so based off what I just said, 21 has to be divided into 3 equal groups. So I'm going to make my 3 equal groups, right? So now I have my 3 groups. Now I have to divide that 21 into each group evenly. And the easiest way to do that is just put 1 in each group and keep going until you get to 21. And then when you're finished, you count how many are in each group. So I want everyone to count with me. We're going to count to 21. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So now I finished 21. I have equal numbers in each group. I'm now going to count how many are in each group, and I'm just going to count how many are my first group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Now again, for my friends who knew or know their multiplication facts by heart, if you would have saw this, you could have said 21 divided by 3. Well, 3 times 7 equals 21. And I see I have 21, I have the 3, all I'm missing is my 7. Because if you read this backwards, it would be 7 times 3 equals 21. So multiplication and division, they're opposites. They go hand in hand. So if you know your multiplication facts, it makes your division facts so much easier. Okay? So let's do another one really quick. So again, I have 15 divided by 5. So this now tells me I need to take 15 and divide it equally into 5 groups. So I'm going to make my 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to take my 15 and I have to put divide it evenly amongst all of these groups. So I want everyone to count with me. We're going to count to 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now all of my groups are equal. They have the same amount of numbers in each side. So now we're just going to count on the first one. So 1, 2, 3. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And again, friends, 3 times 5 equals 15. So if you knew that off the top of your head, it makes it easier to solve this division problem. That's why I spent so much time on multiplication with you. However, we still have strategies here to solve our division problems if we don't have them memorized. So we still have our options. But to make it easier for you, you could have just said, 15 divided by 3. Well, 5 times what number equals 15? So I could have said, I can count, so 5, 10, 15. So I know 5 times 3 now equals 15. Okay, so skip counting actually could help us, friends. I'll do that again. So if I'm going to skip count by 5, because that's the group. So I'm going to count by 5, let's say. So 5, 10, 15. How many fingers do I have up? 3 fingers. Plenty of ways to get through these math problems. Let me make myself bigger. I'm not really worried about them right now today because we're going to be on break soon, and we are going to do division when we come back from break. We're not going to move on just yet. We're going to do more review, then move on, okay? So have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful break. Bye, friends.